Hello my people, welcome back again to my channel. This is Urbanized Media. Today guys, I brought you guys to the largest market in West Africa and one of the busiest markets in West Africa and even Africa as a whole. I am talking of Onitsha main market. We are right inside the market. So as we go on a tour around the market, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I post any video. So let's go.
Deposit, withdraw, recharge card, DSTV subscription, do your POS here. My brother.
So guys, it happened that today some lines are having their prayers, so you can see many shops that are yet to be opened, and yet this market is this busy. So you can imagine how busy this market could be when all the shops are open and everybody's like transacting, doing business. The market is so impressive, an amazing one indeed. So my people, I hope you're enjoying this video. I hope you're enjoying this tour around Onitsha main market in Anambra state, the largest market in the whole of West Africa, because I myself am enjoying the whole tour around. So stick on it, let's just keep moving.
See Abuja line here next time. If you remember Abuja, then Abuja line is there.
What are you doing?
So my people, we are coming to the end of this video. I hope you had great time watching, because I myself had a wonderful time touring around this market. So just stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, more contents are coming your way. Bye for now.